Buying low and selling high, that's the dream, right? But most traders struggle to identify market tops and bottoms before it is too late. And that is the reason why in this video, we are breaking down the top G indicator. It's a powerful trend reversal tool that helps you spot market turning points before they happen. Okay. Now, the top G indicator is designed to detect key reversal points in the market by analyzing momentum shifts, price action, and trend strength. Now, unlike lagging indicators that react too late, the top G indicator gives early buy and sell signals, helping traders get in before major price moves. All right. So one important feature of this indicator is that it identifies market tops. Can you see that? It identifies market tops and market bottoms. All right, identifies market tops and bottoms. Okay. All right. Why isn't it white in the bottom? Well, I believe you must have also seen that. I was expecting to see the bottom written, but I don't know why the indicator failed to write bottom. But basically, as you can see, it identifies the market tops and bottom. Even without writing top and bottom, you can see that these lines, the lines already indicate the tops and the bottoms. Okay. All right. And then the indicator also tries to filter out false signals, false reversals, to be specific. It tries to filter out false reversals as much as possible. Okay. And it works in Forex, stocks, and crypto. Okay. Now, here's what makes the top G indicator different from traditional indicators. One is that it utilizes momentum-based buy and sell signals. All right. It does not rely on static overbought and oversold levels, but instead analyzes price exhaustion in real time. Okay. And then it's it is useful for trend strength confirmation. This indicator ensures that a reversal signal is backed by strong momentum shifts before flashing a trade opportunity. All right. And it works across all time frames, whether you are a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader, the top G indicator adapts to your strategy. Okay. It adapts to your strategy. Now, let's just look at an example. Here we can see that we have a strong uptrend, right? We have a strong uptrend around here. Now, many traders, might be guessing where to sell, right? Because the uptrend was already getting strong, top, 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 top. Traders might be wondering where to sell, right? But watch what happens. The top G indicator highlighted different sell opportunities along the line, although they were just mere pullbacks, right? But it highlighted different sell opportunities along the line. And if you are a scalper, you'd have liked to take advantage of all those. Meanwhile, if you are not a scalper, I will recommend that you do not take signals that oppose the trend like these. Okay, you should just focus on the buy from the bottom and exit at the top. All right. Actually, the indicator might predict several tops depending on how strong that trend is, because as you can see, this indicator give a top here, give another top, another top, another top. So basically, when you enter a buy, if you are comfortable with your reward, just ensure that you have a good risk to reward. You are risking certain number of pips, and then once you have identified your potential exit, this is already a good risk to reward, 1 ratio 2. This is a good one already. You don't necessarily need, you cannot always catch the highest top of the market. It's very hard to do that, okay, or the lowest bottom. So just be contented with whatever you are able to get, okay, so long as you employ good risk management and you employ good technical skills as well. Because here you can see that we have a resistance around here. So this place already is a good entry exit point. This is already a good exit point. But since the indicator did not give us an exit signal, we can say, okay, fine. You can decide to stay in the trade a little bit longer. And then this would have been another good opportunity to exit after this first stop was identified, because you might not have known whether the trend was going to continue. So this would have been a good place to exit. If you are, maybe you decided to trail your stop loss, that's fine still. So you can be trailing your stop loss, and then once a new top has formed, you increase your stop loss to the previous swing low. Once another top has formed, you bring up your stop loss to the previous swing low again, and so on and so forth. So that's also one of the ways to, exit. You can be trailing your stop losses until a reversal finally happens and your stop loss is going to get hit. But in that case, it's going to be a stop profit, because obviously you'll be in profits by then, a lot of profits, okay? Now, let us talk about how to use the top G indicator effectively. One is that you should always look for a buy signal at market bottoms with confirmation. Please do not jump into a buy trade in the middle, all right, to minimize your drawdowns and all of that. So look for buy signals at the bottom, look for sell signals at the top, all right, market tops when momentum slows down, and then use it alongside support and resistance, okay, for stronger trade setups. And you can also combine the indicator with moving averages or volume indicators for extra confirmation. Following these rules will help you filter out weak signals and focus on stronger trading opportunities. All right. So compared to other reversal indicators like the RSI or the stochastic oscillator, the top G indicator does quite, a better job at filtering false signals, right? Traditional indicators struggle with false reversals in strong trends. The top G indicator waits for confirmation before giving a signal. Although this indicator can also give false signals. In fact, sometimes you're going to see false signals. So that's the reason why you must employ good risk management, so that when you are right, you take advantage of that, and when you are wrong, you know that you are losing less than what you make when you are right. Okay, so it's good to employ good risk management, because no indicator out there is 100% accurate. Now, this indicator is also designed for Forex, stocks, crypto, and it works on multiple time frames. Okay, so this makes it an effective indicator for traders looking to catch major reversals with confidence across different asset classes. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Have you tested the top G indicator yet? Let me know in the comments how it compares to other reversal tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.